1. Calculate the run of the steps, how long they will be. Also, check local codes for specifications regarding handrail requirements and permitting. 2. Measure from the bottom of the level to the ground using a 4-foot, 1.2 m, level set on the top of the porch. Take the total height and divide it by the height of the riser. This tells you the number of steps you will need. Remember that the riser height averages between 6 and 8 inches, 15.2 to 20.3 centimeters, high. As an example, a height of 35 inches, 88.9 centimeters divided by a 7-inch, 17.8 centimeters, riser will result in 5 equal steps. Don't forget to consider the blocking or apron at the bottom of the stairs to support the stairs. 3. Multiply 5 steps by 10.5 inches, 26.7 centimeters. That will give you the run, or length, of steps from the face of the porch to the end of the steps. In this case, the run is 52.5 inches, 1.33 meters. 4. Lay out the steps to be cut from the stringer using a carpenter's square. Have the square set up by clamping a straight edge at the 7-inch, 17.8 centimeters, mark on the short outside section of the square. The long outside section of the square, at that point, will be at the 10.5-inch, 26.7 centimeters, mark. 5. Place the square along the edge of the stringer and mark out the 5 steps beginning at the end. 6. Use a circular saw to cut out the steps and square up the ends of the stringer to the steps. Double-check all of your measurements carefully and make sure they are clearly visible, and then use the saw. Note that you will not cut all the way through with the circular saw. Finish the cut with a hand saw or jigsaw. 7. Take the first stringer you cut out and use it as a pattern. Now, mark out the other stringers you need. The spacing of the stringers should not be more than 16 inches, 40.6 centimeters apart for strength. You would need 4 stringers on a 4-foot wide, 1.2 m, stair. 8. Attach the stringers to the porch using metal stringer hangers and 1.5-inch, 3.8 centimeters, deck screws. Check to make sure that they are plumb and level to each other as you go. The bottoms of the stringers need to be sitting on a concrete pad or brick base and not on bare ground. 9. Connect the riser board, cut to the length and width needed, using 2.5-inch, 6.4 centimeters, deck screws. 10. Install the 2x6-inch, 5.1 by 15.2 centimeters, treads, again cut to length, parallel to each other with 1/8-inch, 3 millimeters, spacing between the boards. 11. Attach the treads to the stringers using 2.5-inch, 6.4 centimeters, deck screws. 12. Finish it with waterproof deck stain or exterior porch paint.